Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Roblox. Calm step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and type Roblox. Calm into the address bar. Once on the home page, you'll need to either create a brand new account, which is a quick process, or simply log in using your existing username and password. This initial step connects you to the vibrant Roblox universe. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Roblox homepage, which features thousands of user-created games. Take some time to explore the diverse categories or use the search bar if you have a specific game in mind. Once you spot a game that catches your eye, click on its thumbnail. This action will take you to that game's dedicated page, showing more information. Now, on the game's detail page, locate and click the large green play button. If this is your first time playing, a prompt will appear, guiding you to download the Roblox player. This is a small, essential application, typically less than 200 megabytes, that allows your computer to run Roblox games. Follow the simple installation steps to get it set up. With the Roblox player successfully installed, your chosen game should automatically launch within a few seconds. If for any reason it doesn't, simply click the green play button on the game page one more time. The Roblox player will then open, and you'll be ready to immerse yourself in the game. Enjoy exploring the millions of creative worlds Roblox offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.